Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to talk about the major manufacturing industries of the world and all the factors responsible for the location of industrial regions. Manufacturing industries play a very major and vital role in modern times for the development of nations. It helps the satisfaction of man's needs as well as provides with huge amounts of employment where large number of people are involved all over the world. If you see the major cities of India like Mumbai, Calcutta, Kanpur, Bangalore, all these have grown and become metropolitan cities and big cities because there has been large number of industries here. They have been the focal point of industries and manufacturing. So the question arises that why industries flourish and develop only in particular places, not everywhere. There must be some reason behind. So let's discuss those reasons for the development of manufacturing industry in a particular region. So the first important aspect of industrial location is the supply of raw materials. Industries are situated mostly in those places where there is enough sources of raw materials available. The raw materials can be animal based, plant based, or mineral based. So, whatever the industry is based upon, it has to be located near the place where the raw materials are abundantly available. If the raw materials are perishable, like milk, fish, vegetable, fruits, sugarcane, all these has to be situated near the industry so that they can be processed at a faster rate before being perished. If the industries are heavy industries like iron and steel, machinery, automobile, again the resources should be available nearby. The raw materials have to be transported to the industries at a faster rate. Jamshedpur, Asansol, Bhadravati, all these are industrial regions which are situated near the places of raw materials or where the raw materials are mined. If you talk about power, then coal, electricity, oil, natural gas, all these are the supplies which are required for industries and machines to run and function. So, the manufacturing industries are generally located near places where they will get proper resources, raw materials, as well as power. Now, if you see the manufacturing regions of Europe and USA, they are largely and highly located near the coal reserves from where they obtain their energy. Other sources of energy is obtained from electricity as well as from natural gas. So if you see the industrial regions of Bombay and Pune, they are dependent upon electricity rather than coal. Such industrial regions are situated mostly near the river valley projects. The next important aspect of industrialization is transportation, especially for the heavy and bulky industries where the raw materials are very heavy. So, heavy industries are generally located near transportation regions or areas like railway stations or near navigable rivers or maybe near lakes or sea coast so that the raw materials can be transported to it and the raw materials can be converted and changed into finished products and again sent to the market through these transportation services. Now, if you see the major industrial regions of India like Kolkata, Mumbai, Bangalore, Vishakhapatnam, Bhubaneswar, all these places are near railway lines. They have got very good roadways as well as they are the port cities so that the raw materials can be easily transported to it as well as the finished products can be sent to overseas as well as to the markets easily. If you see small scale industries, handicraft industries, cottage industries, they are located near villages, small towns, tehsils, so that they can get both skilled as well as unskilled laborers, where huge number of population is situated and people are eager to work in these industries and earn money. Whereas if you see the iron and steel industry, machine industries, they are located near major towns, major cities, from where they can get proper transportation as well as skilled laborers, engineers, mechanics. So all these are skilled worksmen who work in these industries. In India, all the states like Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, they are exploding with population. So there is both skilled as well as unskilled labor which are present, and they are eager to work in these industries. So, obviously, the next important factor is market, because goods which are manufactured in the industries should have a demand and should be bought by people. So, it is an added advantage if the industries which are manufacturing goods are situated near the market, or the goods can be transported to the market to be consumed. Like, for example, we have refineries and petroleum and crude oil industries which are located near important cities in the country so that it can be easily transported to the places of requirement. Like Bharat refineries or Burma Shell, as well as Esso refineries, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. They are located near Mumbai, where huge amounts and quantities of these products are consumed. Now let's talk about the major industrial centers of the world. Europe has been the pioneer of industrialization right from the Industrial Revolution, which began here. In Europe, we mostly find basic industries like coal, iron, and ore. It enjoys the supply of raw materials, as well as in Europe, we also have good climatic conditions, as well as transportation and skilled labor, which are all added advantage to the processing of industrialization. In Europe, the industrial belt stretches from British Isles to France, Belgium, Germany, Poland, Czechoslovakia into southern Russia. So in Great Britain, the main centers are Glasgow, Belfast, Newcastle, Sheffield, Birmingham, Lancashire, Manchester, as well as London. In France, the most important industries are coking coal and iron ore, which is situated near Lorraine, as well as near Paris, which has got high population, and as well as Lyons and Saint Etienne, as well as at Marseille, which are major industrial cities. In Germany, the most important and highly industrial region is the Rhine-Ruhr region. The Ruhr region or coal field produces excellent coking coal for the steel industries. There is also a great reserve of potash salts which is in Saxony, which is required for the coal industries. The Po Basin is the major region of industries which are found in Italy. It is the largest industrial region of the country, apart from Milan, Turin, and Genoa. In Russia, there are two major industrial regions, Donbass and Kazbas. And the region which is near the Ural Mountains are the most abundant region for minerals like iron ore, oil, copper, manganese, chromium, gold, cobalt, zinc, and other minerals are found here. So that is a very important and major region of Russia where industries are located. In North America, the major industrial belts include the mid Atlantic states, which are New York, Philadelphia, Baltimore belt, which is a heavily industrialized region. This region lies near the coal fields of the Appalachian Mountains, from where they get the raw materials. Another industrial belt lies near the Pittsburgh Cleveland region, which is near the Appalachian coal fields. They are along the Great Lakes of North America. Then the Detroit region is also another important automobile manufacturing region. The important cities include Detroit, Lansing, Flint, Jackson, as well as Toledo. There are several other industrial belts like at St. Louis, Kansas City, as well as New Orleans, Houston, Mississippi Basin, San Francisco, Los Angeles, San Diego, Seattle, etc. The major Canadian industrial belt includes Toronto, Hamilton, Montreal, Quebec, Ottawa, Winnipeg, Edmonton, as well as Vancouver. In Asia, the major industrial regions lie near and around Indian subcontinent, which is also called as the Monsoon Asia. In Japan, the major industrial regions are a stretch from the east to the west direction from Tokyo to Nagasaki, as well as in the southern states, it includes Honshu, Kyushu, as well as Shikoku. The major industrial cities of Japan include Tokyo, Yokohama, Kawasaki, Osaka, Kobe, Kyoto, Nagoya, Iwata, and Nagasaki. In China, the major industrial belt includes Anshan, Fushun, Shenyang area, as well as the Yangtze, Wuhan, and Shanghai region. In Africa, the major industrial development has happened near Cairo, Nairobi, Dar es Salaam, Salisbury, Johannesburg, and Cape Town. So, in Australia, the major industries and cities are including Sydney, Melbourne, Adelaide, Brisbane, and Newcastle.